Hey guys, we are now at the Sony booth with the Sony A7III. So this is their newest model and it has the improvement of dual card slots. So we're going to put in my card here. Okay, so the improvement now is that we now have touchscreen for the focus, so we can choose the focus point. Also, improvement is the focus. What is actually like special about the A7III is pretty much like a more affordable version of the A9. It has also the much more improved battery. It has the dual card slot, but also something else that is special is that the 4K you can record in here has 80 HDR, so you can actually record in HDR colors, which is pretty much an improvement in colors and improvement how it films. So we're going to set it to video mode. Inside of here we have 220 frames per second. So that was the A7III at the Sony booth. Hope you guys like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button here below, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye.